Hello guys, in this video I am start to making out the navigation of the web page through HTML. So in this video I will just going to make a structure of the navigation through HTML. I will not going to put out CSS in order to control the styling of the navigation of the web page. So just to start building out, by first I am going to make a navigation tag, and inside this navigation tab I am going to make a code for navigation of the website. And the standard way, the most preferred way of doing it is through making an unordered list. So the unordered list tag is UL, and inside UL we need to put out the list item. So there are totally 5 sections of the web page, so I will make 5 links inside list item. So first link, to define a link I need to use an anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag I have to use an hyperreference. So I will reference the section of the web page because I am making a single page website. So I just define an ID, and how you can define an ID? You can define an ID inside hyperreference attribute by an hash sign, and then just name anything you want, like home. So it will call an home ID, and then afterwards you need to close it. So this is the first link. Now the second link is for home, and then second link could be about, and then services, and then business, and then contact. So second link is for hashtag services, and then next link would be for inside. And as you can see, I am defining all the links for the navigation inside the list item because I have used an unordered list. So I need to use a list item in order to define the list item for an unordered list. Later on in the upcoming videos I will control this navigation through CSS in order to style it better, and I will also use jQuery in order to apply some effects through jQuery, which is a JavaScript library. And then home, services, and the third link is for about. Second link is for about, and third link is for services, and then fourth link is for business, and the last link is for contact. So you can put it in any kind of link you want, any kind of name you want in here, but I am just giving it a meaningful name. So these are the 5 links for my navigation of the single page website. And now I can define a section where these link will point out whenever these link gets clicked. So the section is defined by the section ID, and then inside the section I can call out the ID which I need to point out. So in for home ID I just need to put in the name of an ID which is home, and then I call the home section. Afterwards, for next section, which is about, and notice that the name of an ID should be the same as you define up here inside the navigation, otherwise it will not going to work. I'm just putting out some dummy text around here to indicate that it is a home section and this is a about section. For business section, so I just called it business section, and next is for contact. So that's about it. Now I just click on the live preview to see the HTML result. So as you can see, there is nothing right now at the page. This is the dummy text about 5 different sections, and the navigation is just a dotted list of unordered list. So nothing is present right now here because I didn't define anything using CSS. I just defined by using an HTML. Nothing. I even didn't mention the name of the link here. So it's just for the simple structure of the navigation through HTML. So I will going to make it a proper navigation of the web page through CSS, by using CSS and by using jQuery. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.